Hey guys, welcome back to Aesthetic with Riley, and today I'm going to show you how to download fonts on vont.com because it's really requested. So first, you're basically going to search vont.com, and it should be up. And if you have an Android, you just go to Google, the font, and you search and you just click on the first link, and you can like sort through here if you want like what kind of fonts, if you're looking for like new fonts. But you have a font that I want to download. So then I'm here and I just download. But I'm going to be downloading the font called Easy Skyline. And you just press wait. And like you'll see this right here. And you'll also and you just like let's say barcode. Yep. There's like so many. I'm just gonna do Sunday. You can literally search up any word you want and there'll be literally so many. But here's how to download the font. So right here, I just screenshot it. See, donate to author, we don't want locked. Unless you want accident. But you want to do download. And you just download. Just press download. I'm pretty sure it's the same for Android, but I don't know because I don't have Android. But you like see it. It's usually like sorted into alphabetic. And you just press here and share to vont. Wait, hold on. Okay, right here. I just end up installing all just in case. And now, like, if I click on that font, and then I go to, gosh, now it's there. It might not like be the prettiest font, but like it's a font that was just kind of got font. But you could do it with any font. It just has to be on vont.com. Pretty You is not on vont.com. It's on another website. And if you guys want me to do other videos showing you guys how to install Pretty You, then I'll do that. But this is just for like fonts on vont.com. And like if you could, I'm pretty sure it's same on fonts.com, but a lot of like stuff is not compatible with that. I'm pretty sure it's not on fonts.com either. Yeah, it's not. So it's only on a website. I forgot what it's called, but I'll make. If you guys want a video on that, I can make a video. But that's it for the video. Sorry, this video was short, but there's not much to like do to how to like install fonts. Pretty easy and explanatory. So bye guys. See you next time.